To do the When Two Worlds Collide trend on TikTok, first open any editing app. I'm using CapCut. Now go to New Project and add couple photo and your kid photo. Now select format 9:16 and the Add Audio. If you don't have audio, you can get it from the link given in the description. Now adjust the first photo to 6 seconds and leave the second photo as it is. That is to 3 seconds. Now add text, write the first text starting from the duration of 2 seconds to the end of first photo and then the second text from starting of second photo to the end. Now check your video and then export. And now you're ready to share.